Hey y'all, it's the Costume Jeweler. I hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving. That makes me look like a giant. Hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving yesterday. We're still in Austin, Texas, about to go into this Goodwill here. I'm going to show you the building. It's super huge like my shadow. And I've never had longer legs. I wish I had worn bell bottoms today. So we are headed into this Goodwill in Austin, Texas, looking for purses, jewelry, knickknacks, whatnots, doodads, and trinkets to pick up for resale on YouTube and eBay. So make sure you hit that notification bell, click all so you don't miss out on my live buy it nows and auctions. Giveaways on my channel during those auctions. We have jewelry and purses and things like that. Whatnots also we sell. Thumbs up for the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. On that notification bell though, make sure you click all so you don't miss out on anything. This is my very first time in this Goodwill. I don't know if they've got any jewelry or not. Let's go over here and check it out and see. So no jewelry is sold in this location. I didn't see any when I walked in, and sure enough, they don't. Like that clock. I like that. It's really cool. Christmas owl. Knickknacks. See, they've got them. Never seen them label them knickknacks before. Maybe they have purses in here. I'm not seeing any purses hanging up yet. Fancy little shot glasses. Super cute for $2.49 each. Oh, this is super cute right here. Look at this, y'all. All these little bunny rabbits around the whale house. I love this one right here so much. $5.49 because it looks like it's on real old wood. If I did not have to travel, I would buy that one. Dow stores will appreciate that cutting board right there. This is beautiful too. Oh, I love that too. Little cork hot plate for these. So did y'all eat a lot of turkey and dressing yesterday? What kind of desserts did y'all have? I made an eggnog pie for the first time. It turned out really good. It was super easy. No baking necessary. Just make it and refrigerate it for 4 hours. This is sterling. Silver plate. So that was a lot of fun. We did that. So y'all, is this 1970s? Thought so at first. It says Bombay on the bottom. Make sure we're not missing anything here. On the glassware, any vintage antique glass.
Can I have a hardline price check, please?
So they do have some purses after all. This is Urban Outfitters right here. Urban Outfitters, probably ill bag. So they do have a few pieces. So I'd have to say the best looking purse here is Rossetti. The best looking winter purse is Rossetti. Let's go see what else they've got. Take a look at these cookbooks, see if we can find any spiral bound ones. To me, those sometimes might be the oldest ones, not necessarily, but who knows. Alright, y'all, think that's about it. We've looked, there's no purses. There's purses here, but there's not any purses. Love this chair. I don't see any antique looking furniture. And jewelry is not sold in this store. Wow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. Look at this brand new pillow. $4.50. And until next video, look at this one. Until next video, is this a recliner? What brand is this? Let's see first. We will see y'all later. I love that chair so much. think I made it even better with that pillow on there. So we'll see y'all later. Bye.